top story that we are following here on India Today is that singer Mary Milben. She's the one who's now hailed India-US talks also. Mary Milben said, "This is how friends negotiate." She's now posted on X, "This is how friends negotiate with mutual respect, understanding and a shared common ground." This is the President of the United States of America and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. "I know. We need each other. We are stronger together. Our alliance sets the moral and economic compass for the world and a pathway to peace." My colleague Shivani Sharma is now joining me on the story. Shivani, are we looking at a reset of ties? That's what everyone very keenly is looking at. India, in fact, has made sure that we do not bow down, we do not bend. Now, this is what India has maintained since day one, and now we are seeing, statement after statement coming in from the United States of America, nonetheless, than the President Donald Trump.
Aishwarya, when you say that are we going to reset the ties, certainly all the indications are giving us those signals that India has won diplomatically when it comes to the trade tariff, and we've seen the U-turn that has been now taken up by the US President Donald Trump after he was posting those harsh remarks on his Truth Social about India putting out those allegations and putting India responsible for the deaths of people in Ukraine. From the post that he has put today, Aishwarya, we've been following it since morning when the US President Donald Trump, he has said that he is renegotiating, retalking, the conversations are on, and very soon he is agreeing to the fact that there will be a way out on the trade tariffs and the trade relationship with India. And not only this, this happens to be the initiation through the day. What happened next was very interesting, Aishwarya. When Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he responded to this Truth post. The post as it is was posted by Donald Trump on his Truth account. So this is something very rare, where he is acknowledging what has happened and what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been saying. And remember, past 10 days have been quite interesting too, when the SCO summit was happening, and last Friday, in fact, we were breaking the news where Donald Trump had said that we've lost India to darkest deep China. So that sarcasm, that feeling of being cornered and being losing a good friend was quite evident. And since then, conversations have been on. You've been reporting on how the Commerce Ministry has been holding meetings, and now these posts that have come not only on Truth Social, but the acknowledgement after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's X post has been reposted on Truth. So we see the voices and the statements of not only the President of America, but other people like Mary. She's also posted that this is how the friends negotiate.